Alright, this is Family Dojo. Technic 25. Count to 8. Make the object disappear after 8 taps. There is another talent to detect 4 taps, but this time we do it with 8. The only thing we did differently here's to add a switch to the mix. If you look at A at 1 and 4, you notice that the structure is the same. They are all stats on them tap. The art advances to the next art. This gets repeated until you reach art D. Art D is the 4 tap and the 8 tap. On the 4 tap it returns to art A, and on the 8 tap it disappears. We just need a switch to be able to discern between the 4 tap and the 8 tap. Notice how in AI4 the object switch is turned on when tap. We can then predict that the switch will be on when tap for the 8th time. So we know for sure that it's the 8th tap if it's tapped while the switch is on.